Hey everybody at Mr. Headlight. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. We're a marketing company in North Carolina, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and you'd like to learn more about that for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, is if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and jump in. So the three things we'll be covering are going to be content on your website, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content. And I have your website here. It is a super nice website that you have. Amazing job. Everything is laid out very nicely. It's very user friendly. I love all the pictures, the videos. So to Google, content is king, and content can be considered anything you're seeing here on your site as I'm scrolling through. That does also include the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and what is behind the pictures as well. It looks like you all certainly do have enough content, which is fantastic. Most websites really don't, so that's great. The only thing that you would want to make sure of is that you do have keyword-rich content. So you would just want to integrate any keywords that you all are wanting to be found for. So anything that someone is going to type into Google when they're looking for headlight restoration or repair, those are the kinds of terms, words, and phrases that you would want to integrate into your content. But awesome job with the website. It looks really, really great. So that's all that I have for you there. Let's move on to citations. So I did just a quick search for headlight repair in your area, and the first thing that comes up is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. So what a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and anywhere else that allows business owners to add in their business services and details. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed in those directories and get yourself listed in there as well. But you certainly wouldn't want to just stop there either. Whatever your competition is doing, you want to grab that, but then you want to keep adding on. So I would say even double or triple the directory listings that they have. That way you're totally dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high here as well. So now that we have gone over the content and the citations, we'll move on to backlinks. And they have a lot to do with this section down here. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is basically there's a website out there that has a link to your site and is pushing power to your site. And also, of course, potentially driving traffic to your website itself. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, say that you all did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop. And they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one to yours. But you guessed it, that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's really not going to be very helpful for you all. You would want to get links from other headlight restoration companies or anything else that's relevant to that industry. And that will signal to Google that, number one, that is the industry that you're in and that your site is trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more powerful because, again, it is relevant to the industry that you're in. So I did pull up one of the tools that I use here, and I did put your site into it. It's not showing much data for you all at this time, but I did want to at least be able to give you a visual representation of what I'm speaking about here. So I did also pull up one of your competitors that's ranking very high on Google, and it's showing they have 288 referring domains, which is giving them over 6,000 backlinks, getting them found for over 1,000 keywords, and that's driving 2.3 thousand people to their website on a monthly basis, which is huge. Let me take a look and we'll see if we can look at some of the keywords they're using. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords, anything that someone's going to think to type into that search bar when they're looking for your services. And we would really want usually something like this. the industry that you're in, and then a city or a city and state. That's considered buyer intent. So we'll pay especially close attention to this section here. This volume section is showing how many times this particular keyword or key phrase is being searched monthly. So it looks like they're ranking for their business name, which is not surprising. They're ranking for windshield repair. It looks like windshield restoration, glass repair company. Let's see what else they're saying in here. In and out glass, windshield. So it looks like they have several different pages of keywords here. They just have a ton of them, which is great. But let's see, because you can rank for all kinds of things. So it looks like they're really focusing on windshields here, but they are also ranking for the headlight restoration or repair. So it looks like they're integrating different things into their content as well, and I won't bore you and go through all of these, but this just kind of gives you an idea of the kinds of things that you would be looking for to put into your content on your homepage. And again, it would be, your niche or your industry, and then your city or city and state, those types of things. And essentially, in order to beat out your competition, you really just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that your competition is. And again, you want to continuously add on to that, doubling or tripling whatever they're doing. That is going to be what's going to get you on that first page of Google. And also, it'll make it extremely difficult for your competition to even catch up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you guys today. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you would like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business online via your online presence, please do reach out to us because we would love to talk to you about that. And thank you for taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great rest of your day.